Alright, welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen, to Software Engineering Revision. I'm super excited that I'm making this video right now. Also, I'm appreciating God for your life. You guys out there that's also watching this video. Alright, in this video, I'm going to be posting the full project of the user management system. Is a bit, another basic project though. But this project allow me, to practice most of everything that I've learned in Express and React. Alright, let me check my backend. As you can see, I'm coming. As you can see, my server is currently running. You can see my server is running on port 8000. My MongoDB is connected. All right, so now we are coming to the front end. All right, I just want to show everything raw, right, so that you actually know what you're actually doing. I just want to show everything raw, from starting from the code to the front end. Now I'm going to come back down to my front end terminal. As you can see, I'm gonna I'm gonna run the npm run dev. All right, let's go. Npm run dev. I'm going to bring out my local host for the front end so that we can see the vet in the browser. All right, Control C. I'm going to come to my browser right now. Okay, let me make it full. All right. It's loading. I'm having a letter. Wow, yes, this is it. This is the register, because this project, it comprises of two features, where you have the authentication system and the full CRUD operation, right? That is the user management system, where I get to add new user, edit and delete. That is the whole CRUD operation, and also get all users. Although I've registered before, but what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be registering again with new name, so that I will register with new name, so that you are going to see everything working. All right, let me use Danny as a case study. My name is not Danny. My name is Silver, but I'm just trying to use Danny here. All right, let me use this my email, because I don't want to register fake email in the database, right? And the password, let me. Okay, here's my password. Let me show. Okay. All right, you can see I added a show and a show add button here, which in the previous project we did not do. Right, let's submit this right now. You can see submitting logic, register successful. Wow, here's the login page. So all I just have to do is for me to input my email and input my password also. Right, I'm showing my password because I'm just I'm just showing the password because this is just a basic project, right? So I'm logging right now. Login successful also. Now here is the dashboard. Wow, this is extremely important. I'm super excited. You can see the dashboard. The color is black. This was just using Tailwind, right? You can see the edit button, you can see the delete button, and you can see my name. You can see Favor. I have um like I said before, I have an account before. I've registered before. You see, this is the Daniel. I registered right now. You can see the default is user. Do you know what? And in this project, we added a rule-based access control. What it means is that user cannot create new user. That is, user cannot create or user cannot delete user. It's only admin that can delete user. Okay, let's try that functionality right now. You can see that right now. Let me say let me create new user. Let's say what are we going to do? Let me say a Daffy and create email. Oh man, I'm gonna delete it back though. I'm setting role. Let me say the role is user, right? Okay. Why am I doing WhatsApp? You can see the role user. Okay, no, this is not it. Okay, I'm trying to edit. Okay. It's like the logic I added here concerning resetting, like it's not working. Okay, let me try and edit this user first. Let's see if it's gonna work. It's gonna work, yeah, because I've tried it before. Let me see edit. Edit Daniel. Let me see. Let's edit. For example, I want to edit Daniel rule to let's say admin. What's happening? Oh, oh, did I make a mistake? Call me. Oh gosh. Yo, okay, let's try deleting. Wow. I'm actually, what is happening is like my code broke. Shit. Although it takes me a couple of hours to do this, but I don't just know why I just having an error. Although I'm gonna post this video regardless because first of all, you can see that there are a lot of things that I didn't do here. Like I did not add a logout button. I did not add a also I did not add logout button. I did not add link that will go back. You can see that although the project is just a bit scattered, but I'll still post it regardless, right? But I'm gonna do the correction also. Alright, if I can, I need to go back and redo this project again because right now my delete is not working. But I test they come me something like something is wrong because I tested this, it worked. Alright, so thank you very much. You can see the reason I'm going to be posting this project is that first of all to see that mistake is actually I actually made mistake. Everybody actually made not everybody actually made mistakes. So that's why I'm going to be posting the project, and I believe that I'm going to do correct the project, correct it again, then post the correction, right? Or also in the next project that I'll be building, I'm going to make sure that everything is in place. So thank you very much once again. I'm so sorry that the project is not working as expected, but the authentication is actually working. The dashboard, the links, they are actually working, but the user management, the code operation, maybe I might be having an error in the route